Are you an ambitious online business owner who's looking to take things to the next level and jump into email marketing? If you haven't already, you really should. Building your email list can not only help you market your business, but it can also help you stay in touch with the almost 96% of customers who visit your site but don't make a purchase. Email marketing remains as the most effective way to nurture leads and turn them into customers. But let me guess. You want to work smarter, not harder, and are looking for a way to integrate your site's contact forms with your email marketing provider without having to deal with complicated integrations or hiring a developer. Well, the Mailchimp Addon by WPForms helps you do just that. The Mailchimp Addon will allow you to connect your site's contact forms to your Mailchimp account, automatically adding customers to your list each time they fill out and submit a form on your site. Once inside the form builder, you can add a connection from your site's contact form to your Mailchimp account and select from any of the available actions to perform, whether it be adding new subscribers, allowing users to unsubscribe from your list, archiving contacts from your marketing audience without losing data, and more. The Mailchimp add-on even allows you to assign any existing tags to your incoming form submissions or add brand new tags, mark subscribers as VIPs, or update a subscriber's profile if they're already a part of your mailing list. In just a few clicks, you can easily connect your WordPress contact forms with one of the most popular email marketing services on the market without all of the hassle or without spending big bucks. Over 6 million smart business owners, designers, and developers use WPForms to build smarter forms. What are you waiting for? Get started with WPForms today.